Hi students, here we go for the chapter 11 perimeter and area. So here initially we start with the basic formulas. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Area of a square is equal to side into side. And area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So here we go for the problem. Exercise 11.1. Length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. So it is given length is equal to 500 meter and breadth is equal to 300 meter. Find its area. We have to find. So what shape it is? It is a rectangle. So area of rectangle is equal to L into B, right? Length into breadth. So 500 into 300. So we will get an 5 3s of 15 and 4 zeros are there. We got it as a 1,50,000 and it is given in the meter. So area will be the meter square. So 1,50,000 meter square is the area of the given rectangular piece of land. And second one is the cost of land. If 1 meter square of the land cost is 10,000. So 1 meter square it costs 10,000. Then we have to find for a 1,500 meter square. So this is for the first one. And second one, cost of 1 meter square land is rupees 10,000 given that, right? So we have to find for 1,50,000. Then cost of 1,50,000 meter square land is equal to, we have to multiple with that amount. So 10,000 into 1,50,000, right? So we'll get as it is 15 into 1 is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 zeros. Yes. So this much cost will be there for the land. Right? So here we go for the next problem. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. We have to find the area. So area we have to find, and to find the square park area we need a side. So side also we don't know, but the perimeter is given. Perimeter of a square park is equal to 320 meter, right? What is the perimeter formula of the square? Perimeter of the square is 4 into side, right? 4 into side is equal to 320. So from this we can find the side, right? So perimeter of the square formula is 4 into side, so it is equal to 320 since it's given in the question. So side is equal to 4 is multiplied here. When we bring the next side, it will become a division. If you divide, it will for 8, that is 80. So side is equal to 80 meter. So we found a side, then we can find the area also. So area of square park is equal to side into side, right? That is 80 into 80, 8 8s are 64 and 00. 6,400 meter square. Since the area it is a square, here's a side, so it is only a meter. So here we go for the next problem. Find the breadth of a rectangular plot of a land if its area is 440 meter square. So area is equal to 440 meter square. What shape it is? It's rectangle, right? It's rectangle shape. And the length is given as a 22 meter. So length is given 22 meter. And also we have to find the perimeter. First we have to find the breadth. And also the perimeter. Remember the shape is a rectangle. So the area is given 440. Area is what? Length into breadth is equal to 440, right? So we know the length it is a 22 meter. So 22 into breadth is equal to 440 and the breadth is equal to 440 divided by 22. So it comes for 20 times. So breadth is equal to 20 meter. So we found the breadth, and again they said also find its perimeter. perimeter of rectangular plot is equal to, you know, that 2 into L plus B. So 2 into length here is a 22 we given, and breadth we found it as a 20. So 2 into 22 plus 20 is a 42. So 2 into 42 is a 84 meter. So perimeter is a 84 meter. So here we come for the next problem. A wire is in the shape of rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeter. What shape it is? It is in the rectangle. Our length is 40 centimeter and the breadth is 22. Breadth is equal to 22 centimeter. If the same wire is rebent into the shape of the square, so another shape is the square, what will the measure of each side? So measure of each side of the square is, we call it as a side. We don't know the side. So first we have to find the side and also find which shape enclose more area. So first we have to find this side. So what condition is given? If the same wire is rebent in the shape of the square. So there is a one rectangular shape wire that rebended into the square. So here which one will be the same, whether inner region or the boundary, right? So wire is in the boundary, it's a rectangular shape, the boundary. So this boundary and this boundary is equal. So boundary is what we call it as a perimeter. So perimeter of rectangle will be is equal to perimeter of square, because just that square, the rectangle, the boundary wire is stretched and again rebent to the square, so there will be no difference in the length of the boundary. If we add all these sides and all these sides, it will be equal. So that's what we represent as a perimeter. So perimeter of the rectangle we call it as a 2 into L plus B, and the perimeter of the square we call it as a 4 into side. We know the length and breadth, only side we have to find. It's easy. So 2 into length is a 40 plus breadth is a 22 is equal to 4 into side. So 40 plus 22 is a 62. 62 into 2 is a 124 is equal to 4 into side. So we can rewrite as a 4 into side is equal to 124. So if you to find the side, the 4 will become a division, 124 divided by 4, and this side is equal to 31 centimeter. So we found the side as a 31 centimeter. They said also find which shape enclose more area. So now only we want to find which this enclosing area is that which have more area. So we have to find area for rectangle and area of the square, then we have to compare. So area of rectangle is equal to L into B, which is equal to length is 40 and 22. 40 and 22 is equal to 880 centimeter square. Next area is enclosed by a square is equal to side into side. So side we found as a 31. 31 into 31 is a 961 centimeter square. So now we check which shape enclosed more area. Compare this, rectangle is 880, square is 961. So square have a more area, right? Therefore the square shaped wire enclosed more area. So this we will be using in the real life, whether we need in the rectangular or a square with the same perimeter, which will give the more area means we can choose for the square. Thank you.